sort of kind of opposition. Can I see the next image, please? The next ambiguous image. Thank you. Here's another prime example where you have...
So this one's classic. You see the two people looking at each other, and then in the middle you see like a candlestick or a vase.
Hourglass.
Or some, hourglass, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So you can't encapsulate the overall image. You have to view each... You have to view the faces independently.
Yeah, by themselves or...
Yeah, but they cannot be observed simultaneously. And
there you have it, folks. My depiction of a butterfly. Yay!